My name's Steve Wall, I'm a building surveyor. I run a company called Damp Fixer. I've been doing this job since I was 16. With my job working in the insurance business as a consultant, I used to go out and meet contractors all over Britain after there'd been floods. I'd gone on to do over 10,000 surveys nationally, worked all over Britain, the UK, Isle of Man, on the front line of defence. I'm now coming to the end of retirement. Over the years, I've learned a lot about the damp industry. Around the perimeter of the room, internally where damp starts forming, it's due to a connection from the floor where the damp is rising into the actual plaster. The ALLSAW can actually burrow around the perimeter of the rooms, separating the floors to the walls so that it breaks the reservoir where it's going to feed up into the walls. Now we can aerate this. What they will do, they'll break down stone between the walls so I can actually get my blowers in, or I can get my hoovers in to take the dust up. They get right up against the wall like no other tool will. We tried it all before using circular saws, jackhammers. It was creating too much dust in the house. Using this system, it keeps everything down to a minimum. Dust can be the worst things in our trade. It can become the cancer of our trade, and that's what makes you ill. And that's why a lot of builders have died young, because of dust. So using abrasive wheels is not really the way forward at all. I'd recommend the ALLSAW to anyone. I've been using mine for 6 years. Now and again we change the blades, but they last longer than anything, and it's the most economical way to do my job, using that ALLSAW. Well, the ALLSAW is so robust, it doesn't break down, it's never broke down. I even bought 2 of them because they were that good. I would fully recommend it to anyone in the building trade. It's the way forward. Don't go back to the past, keep moving forward with the latest technology.